y'all, welcome to the Style Chronicles. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're a new subscriber, I appreciate you being here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me once again. And if you have not already hit the notifications bell, please do so that you will be notified of any recent uploads as they occur. Thank you so much once again. And today I just wanted to share a pair of shoes that I was gifted for Christmas. It's a unboxing of a pair of Jimmy Choo shoes. These are the 100 millimeter Lang glitter sandals in the color Vino, which is actually, I think, more, it's not so wine colored. Vino is Italian for wine, but it's not so wine colored. It's more of a rosy purpley color, not even rose gold. It's a little bit more purple. But these are the size 8.5. And yes, they are absolutely stunning. I love them. And I absolutely love Jimmy Choos. They are the most comfortable shoes that I own. Every pair of Jimmy Choos that I have in my closet, I could stand in all day long and not complain. So I absolutely adore Jimmy Choo shoes. They are just wonderful. If you're looking to invest in a pair of very nice shoes, there of course are the regular ones that everybody tends to go with. I have them myself. Those are the ones everybody notices. The red soles are timeless. However, they are not as comfortable. And I think I'm done purchasing all of the ones that I'm ever going to want because I have found way better, more comfortable shoes. So here we go. These are from Neiman Marcus. So of course, there's a little Neiman Marcus insert, but they come with the Jimmy Choo little card. And it's just a little care card about wear and tear, how to care for leathers and metallic leathers. You clean with water basically and a towel. Anything alcohol based or perfumes will hurt them. It also goes through suede and nubucks and special care fabrics, furs and exotic leathers and things like that, acrylic even. So this is actually really nice to just read through. It gives you ideas for how to clean other leathers and fabrics and things like that. So just very, very nice to have on hand. It comes with a really nice little shoe bag. It says Jimmy Choo on the bag, and of course it opens up. And this is nice if you travel with your shoes. It's also great to store them in this when they're in the box, just for dust purposes and also to keep them nice. So I do use my dust bags on my shoes when I'm not wearing them. But here you have it. Also, if you take your shoes, like if you are out wearing your shoes and you are the kind like I am, where I'll go from a flat because I'm walking to my car or it's raining outside, or I'm dropping the kids off at a sitter's and then I'm going to go out to dinner or something with my husband, I usually wear flats. So I will take the little bag along with my shoes to swap them out so that the wear and tear is minimal. The tissue paper, of course, says Jimmy Choo on it. Really, really pretty. And they're always packaged so nicely, like really nice shoes. And of course, they are still in the plastic because I have not unboxed them yet. So there you have it. And the first pair is here. And here you go. So this is the right one. And you can see it is like a rose gold, but it's purpley. You can see it a little bit more here. It's a little purpley kind of shade. They call it Vino, like I said, but it's metallic, dark pink, I would say. Really, really pretty. I love the way that they cross around your leg. It's just very elegant, your ankle. Very, very elegant. It's got two here, and then of course this part down here. And there you have it. The ankle straps. The ankle straps have, so you know, the straps are glittery, but this part right here that the buckle buckles into is not glittery. It's actual leather, so that the wear and the tear is minimal. You can barely see it, but it's there. So the wear and tear is minimal. It's reinforced with that, and the glitter won't flake off. And I have Jimmy Choos like this in like a platinum color that are, I think, a little bit more fabric based, but I have not had a problem with glitter and, you know, wearing off. Although I know it does flake off because there is glitter particles. I have not had an issue with any of my other Jimmy Choos and the wear lately. So it says Jimmy Choo, London, made in Italy, and 38.5. I am a size 7.5, like true to size 7.5. And I have a pair of other sandals in 38 the size 38. And the reason why I sized up to a half, and I told my husband from now on I need 38 and a half in Jimmy Choo's, is just because they are a little difficult to get on. So they fit and they look great, and my toes don't hang off or my heels don't hang off or anything like that. But just to get them onto my feet with the straps and everything, I needed just like that little bitty extra room. So a 38 and a half makes it easier to get them on and off of my foot, but they fit basically the same. So there you have it. In terms of size, I would size up in Jimmy Choo. They do run a little bit small. This color in my collection, which I think is absolutely stunning. And so they're just really, really pretty. My husband, of course, chose these, and I tend to love everything that he picks because he's got really, really good taste in shoes, and this is pretty. And this year, I would say, was more of a reddish-based shoe year for me. I got another pair of shoes as well, and those are more burgundy in color. So I'm definitely excited to wear these in the new year, 2018. So loving them. I hope you guys had a wonderful new year, and I'm excited to be back here and sharing with you once again. Thank you so much for joining me. Really quickly on my face, because I get a lot of questions, I will tell you what I have on. On my eyes, I have on the Jaclyn Hill palette. I did use this really beautiful blue color. It is called Twerk, and I put that all over. And then in my crease, I used this shade right here called Pukey, as well as a little bit of this shade also called Chip. It's like a brown. So those right there, and I did run it underneath, and I used Twerk to smoke out my lower lash line. Really, really beautiful color. For my highlight all over my cheekbones, I used this shade up here, the second one. It's called Beam, and I think it's just beautiful for highlighting your face. And then on my cheeks, I have my Tarte Amazonian Clay Party Blush, which is a beautiful shade. It's just a perfect neutral. Goes so well with everybody, which is why Sephora made it their birthday gift last year in 2017, because it just goes with everybody's skin tone and looks absolutely stunning. So love that color. And then on my lips, I have on the Charlotte Tilbury shade Kim KW in the Charlotte Tilbury Kissable lipstick, which is a very pretty nude. It's a pink nude, and it just goes on so nicely. I absolutely love this lipstick. It smells good, it wears so well, and it's a beautiful shade. My earrings are my Kinder Scott earrings. These are like white with gold around them. Of course, I have on my Tiffany necklace that my husband gave to me so many years ago. And my sweater is a J. Crew sweater in a camel tan color. So I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.